Hey, what's up everybody? This video is going to be a video of us exploring the back part of our lot. So we start from our lot. We're time warping here, walking down through the our neighbor's lot on his driveway. Our neighbor is super cool. He's the guy we bought the property from. We go all the way to the back, and this is the back part of our property where we're crossing this lava flow. It's chunky lava. It's like my unfavorite thing to walk on. So those two sticks sticking out of that little pile of lava rocks are the back pins. So this is the back part of our lot. So as we cross the there are these huge Ohia trees. I mean, they're amazing. They're some of the biggest Ohio trees that we've seen. Take a look at that. And that's awesome for our woodworking because we love to use Ohio wood. There's one that fell down. Don't know why. But this wood, when it dries out, is ridiculously hard. It's so hard and heavy, and it has this beautiful dark brown color when it dries out. Super hard to work with. To cut it using a chainsaw, we'll basically use up a blade just to cut through something like that. There's another Ohia tree. There's our neighbor to the north. And in parts of this back part of the lot, sorry for the shaky camera that's trying to film and walk over the there are these little patches of grass. Our neighbor calls them the meadows. The Hawaiian word for that is Kipuka, where the lava flowed around the vegetation, usually like on a hill or something, so the vegetation survives in the lava flow. It's pretty amazing. We definitely have to think of what we're going to do here. So here's another Ohia tree. And these are in pretty good shape. They don't have the we have a disease called the rapid Ohia death, where this fungus eats away at it. It's destroying our native Ohia forest. And these trees seem to be free of it. So we're not going to cut these down. We will probably come out and prune all the dead branches off to prevent the insects and termites from getting into it. The Ohia tree in our neighbor's lot was dated as 600 years old. So these must be pretty close to it. Check out how the lava flowed right around this tree and it survived. Amazing. Well, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and aloha.